guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Srihitha. So I have seen many of them addicted to K-pop, especially BTS. For them, today I am going to make a BTS keychain. So let's begin this video. We need cardboard, paper, gum, scissors, scale, pencil, eraser, marker and one bangle or a compass. Let's take this bangle to the cardboard and draw the circle. The cardboard needs to be so thicker so that it will be clean. Let's cut this. So next, let us keep this cardboard safe next. And draw the same circle on the paper again. And cut it. So we got two circles as I folded the paper and cut it. Now let's see. Next, we need scale and pencil to draw the BTS logo. Take below the one corner and draw it up to 1.5 centimeters. Same length another side. And let's take little bit. Yeah. If you get any excess like this, you need to erase them. So do the same on the other side too. It will come like this. Let's keep the paper for safe again and take this paper. We should draw army logo right now. Take how much length you need as your circle. So do the same to the other side. Now we need this marker. Take the logo and draw the outline for that. So it's BTS logo. And now let's do it with the army logo. Logos are so yep, now the both logos are ready. Now we need to add the inside part also with black. Now the both logos are ready with the black sketch. We need to just add the name. Yep. Yay! Now we need to paste the both. Yay! One side is ready. Now another side is comes with army logo. Yay! It's ready! See? Now the keychain is ready. We just need to attach it to the key. Yeah, oh gosh. Let's keep it aside and we need to make a hole in the middle. So I have kept the hole. It came on. Now we need to insert this. Oh. So now Yay! It came in. We are ready with the keychain. Yay! We are ready with the keychain. Yes. BTS. Means like this. Yep, it's so good. I love it. It's my exciting keychain. I can use it daily. So this is the keychain I have made, and if you want me to make any K-pop accessories like this, please comment in the comment box, and don't forget to please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.